Welcome, fellow developers, to a special edition of Definer Incorporated. Today, we embark on a journey into the enchanting world of poetry. But fear not, this is not about rhymes and verses. Instead, we're delving into a different kind of poetry, the one that powers your Python projects. Starting with the first challenge, poetry installation. Many developers face roadblocks here, be it compatibility issues, conflicting dependencies, or simply navigating the installation process. Let's guide you through each step, making the process as smooth as possible. Now, let's delve into the heart of poetry, the pyproject.toml file. This configuration file holds the key to your project's structure, dependencies, and more. We'll break down its sections, explain the purpose of each, and guide you on how to customize it for your specific needs. Compatibility is paramount in any development environment. We'll navigate through version compatibility issues, showing you how to handle conflicts, ensure your dependencies align, and keep your project on the right track. Dependency versioning can be a puzzle. In this section, we'll demystify the art of versioning. From understanding semantic versioning to specifying constraints, you'll gain the skills to manage your project's dependencies effectively. To master poetry, you need to grasp key setup concepts. We'll cover environments, scripts, and other important elements. By the end of this section, you'll have a clear understanding of how to structure your project for success. Newcomers often encounter hiccups during the initial setup. Fear not. We'll troubleshoot common installation issues, providing step-by-step solutions to ensure a hassle-free experience for those just starting their poetry journey. Ensuring compatibility in poetry projects is an ongoing task. We'll guide you through strategies to maintain compatibility, manage updates, and keep your project's puzzle pieces fitting together seamlessly. Versioning your dependencies is an art form. We'll explore strategies to version your dependencies effectively within the pyproject.toml, ensuring stability and predictability in your project. Streamlining your setup process can save time and headaches. We'll guide you through best practices to make your poetry experience efficient. From project creation to deployment, you'll have a streamlined pipeline that enhances your development workflow. And there you have it, your comprehensive guide to mastering poetry for Python development. Remember, poetry is not just about code, it's about crafting elegant solutions. Thank you for joining us on Definer Incorporated. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow developers. Until next time, may your code be bug-free and your projects be evergreen. Happy coding!